Good morning, everyone. Practice session number 1 today. Koch Method, lesson 3. Off we go. Okay, let's check the result. Still 33 mistakes. Mainly due to, you know, sometimes my brain is still processing what it has heard, and I'm just, staying in the previous block of sounds, not going to, like, mentally, and not going to the one that is currently being played. And I get so tangled up in untangling what I've heard in the previous block that the current one sort of, slips past me, and I completely miss it, and then I just fill it in with, like, all R's or M's, all M's, or, you know. So yeah, that's really uh, biggest reason for the mistakes here. But also, I, yesterday I had this one good lesson where it was all going automatically. Don't know what to attribute this to. No idea. But you know, yesterday evening lesson and this one were um, well, much more challenging. That that perfect one from yesterday. But I I can feel getting a little bit better now with, like, full practice session behind my belt, under my belt. We'll see how it goes from here on. But I guess that, as with everything, practice makes master, and this applies also to this. There is some initial frustration, you know, inevitably there, but with time it'll get better, and getting into this, into the flow, in the zone will be easier, hopefully. So yeah, let's take a look at my streak. I did try to do two, like, a few days in the past. I didn't really have time to do it on the computer and typing. And so I've also heard in some video that uh, you know you're not even supposed to type it down or write it down initially. You're supposed to just copy it mentally. So I tried that, but it completely didn't work out. I mean, I did download the MP3 files with lesson three, lesson two and three onto my phone, and was listening to them, but um, just completely didn't work out. So that's why I did try doing it here, right, like typing. Then I heard the video and stopped typing, just was trying to copy mentally, and then sort of completely dropped the whole project because um, I think because of lack of feedback, and not being able to sort of track my progress just by copying mentally. And here, it's much easier. And I just guess that there's just no, like, the perfect way to learn CW. You just have to choose a way, stick to it, and then, if you feel like learning some other way, you already have all this experience under your belt. It gives you this, edge with starting anything new. Um, CW connected, right? So yeah, and now started on the 3rd of December. Today we've got 15th, and it's like almost 2 week streak. Very good. Right, thank you for tuning in, and I see you next time. 73.